Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete all Google search history at once. So if you want to delete your Google search history at once, here's the quickest way. So first, open the Google app and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, at the top, you should see search history. Click on that. Now, once you're on search services history, what you need to do is to scroll down and tap delete button right here. Now you have three options. So choose delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. Now, since we want to delete all Google search history at once, so let's select delete all time. Then choose activities to delete. You can select all of them and click next at the bottom.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support, and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching, and let's continue.
So confirm you would like to delete the following activities. Click delete again, and deletion is completed. So the activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. Then click got it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.